Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Torchy's tacos queso using an easy method. This delicious, creamy dip is a fan favorite, and you can recreate it at home with just a few simple ingredients. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your supplies to serving up a perfect bowl of warm, cheesy goodness. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this amazing copycat recipe. First, let's get our ingredients ready for mixing. Cut your 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese into small cubes. This helps it melt more evenly. Then, in a large saucepan, combine the cubed cheese with 8 ounces of your favorite fire-roasted salsa. Next, add 4 ounces of diced green chilies and a half cup of heavy cream. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the components are well integrated before we start cooking. Now, it's time to transform these ingredients into a luscious queso. Place your saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir the mixture continuously as it heats up. This constant stirring prevents the cheese from sticking to the bottom and ensures a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency. In about 10 minutes, your cheese should be completely melted and beautifully combined. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid rushing the process with high heat. Your homemade Torchy's tacos queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve this warm, irresistible dip immediately with a generous pile of crispy tortilla chips. For that authentic Torchy's experience, add a small scoop of fresh guacamole right into the bowl and sprinkle with some finely chopped cilantro. A dash of your favorite hot sauce will give it an extra zing. This recipe makes about 4 servings, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.